Savior, save me, I'm dying. Savior, can you help me now? I'll give you anything you want and decide. I can hear the sound of terror paralyze my body as I shiver. I used to think that the monster living underneath my cover until I found the monster and my fucking altar. Ego has poisoned me in this fucking hell. Rescue me, 'cause the old me is already dead. Trust no Savior. Trust no liar. Savior. I need one who's gonna save me from hell. Yes, I am. Savior. I don't know what to tell. You can tell you're my slave. I cannot trust no savior. Feel my head like a safe. I cannot trust. They are all motherfuckers. I can help you stop being yourself. I can make you very nice and wise again. I used to think that you're kind, the pure kind side of you. But no, I realized that you is you plus an alter ego. Trust no savior. Trust no liar. Savior. You are sinking your dark river. Please stop your whispers. I'm your savior. A monster turned into a savior. It's me, I whisper. I whisper. I whisper. Yeah, whisper. Ooh, I cannot trust no savior. Ooh, no savior. Ooh, I whisper, savior. Hey, I won't save you from you. I know a dark side. No, from who? I know it sounds creepy, but from the dark side of you, I trust no savior, trust no savior, no savior. I want to kill you, savior, no savior, no savior. I want to kill you. Parents, help me, parents, help me now, fathers, help me, Father, Jesus, help me. I can trust no Savior. I can trust myself. Savior, want you to die. Savior, I want to be myself.